Hello guys, so we are back again and we have finished all the subjective multiple choice questions, okay, theory, okay, everything related to sequence and series, okay, as far as it is concerned. Okay, so this is the last part, okay, you can say the last lap of sequence and series, in which we are going to do PYQ. Okay, first we will do PYQ in small videos. Okay, we will not means I want the video length to be short, okay, so that you can analyze the PYQ more effectively. Okay, so PYQ will be very easy for you, okay, as far as for JEE mains and for JEE advanced you will be able to solve more than half, okay, questions if you have prepared all the lectures properly. Okay, and more of this, okay, this PYQ videos will be for means they will be consisting of 5 questions each video. Okay, so hope you will enjoy, okay, this PYQ last part of sequence and series. Okay, and if you like our content, please hit a like and subscribe to our channel IIT JEE Omega Pi Gate. Okay, so now let's begin with PYQ, okay, previous year, okay, PYQ, and it is of what? JEE mains. We will take questions from JEE mains and whatever AIEEE. Okay, before when JEE mains means JEE mains came after some period of time. Before that it was called AIEEE, means All India in Engineering Entrance Exam. Okay, so let's move with the first question of sequence and series, which is this one. Okay, which is first question. Let me read the question. The sum of the series 1 cube minus 2 cube plus 3 cube minus and so on plus 9 cube, and this question has appeared in AIEEE 2002. Okay, so the options are, the first option is 300, second option is 125, third option is 425, and fourth option is 0. Okay, so this question is very easy. Okay, and this type of question we have already done a lot. Okay, so you can see they have given a cube, then the second term is negative, then the third term positive. In this type of question, what you have to do, you have to add and subtract the terms, okay, which are negative. Okay, and try to make a separate group of them. Like here, if I try to analyze this, 1 cube minus 2 cube plus 3 cube, then it will be minus 4 cube, then it will be plus 5 cube, and so on. Okay, this one will be negative, and so on, 9 cube. So what I will do, I know what terms are negative, means 2 power 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, like this, means even position terms, okay, are negative. So I will do what? I will add these terms and subtract these terms. But you will say that there I already have these negative terms. So if when you add, okay, when you add and subtract the negative terms, okay, the negative terms will become twice, okay, and the positive terms will be single only. Okay, you will understand what I'm telling. Listen, this will become this 2 cube, 3 cube, plus 4 cube, and so on till 9 cube. Now I have added and subtracted, okay, minus 2 cube, minus 4 cube, minus 6 cube, and so on. Then here I will make this will be positive terms, and here it will be negative, and it will be twice, 2 cube, 4 cube, 6 cube, and so on till what will be the last term? 8 cube. Okay, and I will tell you what I did. Adding and subtracting what? Subtracting what? 2 cube, 4 cube, 6 cube, 8 cube. Okay, although I should not write this, but for your understanding. Now when I add them, they will add on and will be from 1 to 9 cube. But when I subtract them, okay, there will be negative already, so they will become twice. Okay, now after this what will happen? So this is sum of n cube terms. Okay, we will apply the simple formula n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Okay, that is n cube summation, okay, formula, that is induction formula. And here we will take 2 power 3 common, okay, which is the very general approach. 2 power 3 taken common, which will be left with 1, 2 cube, 3 cube, and so on. Okay, and 4 cube. Okay, these are the terms. Now here we will substitute the value, which will be till 9. So 9 into 10 by 2 the whole square minus 2 into 8. Okay, this is again n cube, so we will apply the formula, which will be n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Okay, here what it will become, it will become 45. Okay, right, 44, 81. Okay, 81 into uh, 25. Okay, this will be divided, and further on here it will become 16. Okay, 16 into, here we will substitute 4, since till 4 the terms are there. 4, 5 by 2 the whole square, which will, this will become 4 and this will cancel out this. 81 into 25 minus 16 into, this will nullify it 4 times, oh sorry, 8 times, and here what we are left with, we are left with 16 into 25. Okay, I will take 25 common outside, which will give me 81 minus 64, giving me finally 25 into 17. So my final answer is 425. So this is C is the answer. Okay, this question was very easy. Okay, so anyone can solve this question, just if they have at least solved this type of question, okay, addition and subtraction type of variety of question, okay, then they can get this answer or get its answer easily. Now let's move on to the next question of PYQ. So the next question is this question: if the sum of an infinite GP is 20 and the sum of their square is 100, then common ratio will be. Okay, this question has appeared in AIEEE 2002. Okay, the options are 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 5 and 1. Okay, so what we are going to do, okay, first they are telling a series, okay, infinite GP series. So we will consider series AR square, okay, AR square and so on till infinity. Now they are telling square of this, so a square R square, a square R power 4, okay, and so on. Okay, it will go on till infinity. Okay, now what I have to do, okay, they are telling the sum of an infinite GP, so I will consider this one. So it will be what, a 1 minus R should be equal to 20, right? Keep it as 1. Second, they are telling sum of the square of, okay, sum of their square is 100. I have created the square series also, so I will write it a square 1 minus R square, right, should be equal to 100. They have given this. Okay, now this thing I can write it as a into a upon 1 minus R into 1 plus R, using what I will use, a square minus b square should be equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, they are multiplied. Okay, so when you will use, now you will observe that this value I already have, which is 20. So I will substitute this, which will be 20 into a upon 1 plus R, and here I will write from 1. Then I will solve it, which will give me, here it was 100. Okay, this will be 5 into 1 plus R, okay, which will be what, which will be, now what we can do, we can, okay, we will multiply here, we have 20 here. Okay, sorry, this will cancel out. Here a we have. Okay, so what we are going to do now, we want to get all the things in a terms. So what we are going to do, we are going to just do one thing, that use this equation again and get a value. A will be what, 20 into 1 minus R. I can substitute this value again here. So 5 into 1 plus R equals to 20 into 1 minus R. Okay, so here this will cancel out 4 times, so 1 plus R should be equal to 4 minus 4 are giving me 5R. Okay, 5R should be equal to 3, so giving me R equals to 3 by 5. Okay, so 3 is the answer. Okay, so hope you have understand each and every process, how we proceeded. Okay, how we created the square series. Okay, just squaring each and every term of the GP which you considered initially, and then taking the conditions as per first series and as per second series. Okay, and then using the first equation and then solving it. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. Now the next question, so the next question is this, okay, which is as follow: if the third term of an AP is 7 and its seventh term is 2 more than 3 times of its third term, then sum of its first 20 terms is. Okay, this question has appeared in AIEEE 2002 and the options are 228, 74, 740 and 1090. Okay, so first they are telling the third term. Okay, the third term is what, 7. So I can write third term as a plus 2d equals to 7. How I got this? Using Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, second thing, and the seventh term, okay, T7 is nothing but what? 3 more, okay, 2 more times, okay, 2 more times the 3 times the third term. Okay, so I know the third term. Okay, I know the third term? Yes, I know the third term. 3 into 7, I will substitute this, which will give me 2 into 21, giving me finally 23. Okay, so I got my T7. Now I can substitute T7 and get in this equation using Tn and get a equation which will be 6d. This was my first equation, this is my second equation. Can I solve them simultaneously? So subtract 2 minus 1, we get what? We get 4d equals to, okay, 4d equals to 7 will be subtracted from here, 16, giving me d equals to 4, okay, giving me d equals to 4, right? Okay, so we are getting d equals to 4. And what we are getting after this, if I substitute d in this equation 4, what I have? A plus 8 equals to 7, giving me a equals to minus 1. Okay, so I got my a negative. Okay, now can I get the sum of 20 terms? Yes, S20, okay, will be what? N 20 by 2, 2 times a, which will be minus 1, plus 19 into d, which will be 7, okay, 4, and after this 10 into minus 2, okay, 19 times 4, okay, so what? 19 times 4 will be 76, and what we can do is we can multiply this 74 with 10 and give me 740. So third is the answer. Okay, this question was also very easy question which was appeared in AIEEE 2002. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. Okay, the next question is the, okay, we have so far covered 3 questions. Okay, the fourth question is as follow. Okay, this is the fourth question, which says if x1 comma x2 comma x3 and y1 comma y2 comma y3 are both in GP with same ratio, then the point x1 comma y1 x2 comma y2 and x3, okay, are the vertices of a triangle, lie on a straight line, lie on an ellipse, lie on a circle. So this answer could be checked, okay, by many ways, okay, but the best way to check it is area of triangle. Okay, although I have not taught a straight line till now, okay, but just remember that area of triangle is given by, okay, there are one method also, but okay, this method, all right, all the x terms, right, all the y terms. Okay, I will get you the trick also to remember this and many other formulas, okay, when we come across straight line. Okay, but till then just remember this formula, remember this triangle, okay, area of triangle formula. Okay, so this is area of triangle, I know that. Now what they're telling that x1 x2 x3 and these are in GP and they have common ratio r. Okay, both its common ratio is r and its common ratio is also same, which is r. Okay, so what we can do, if x1 is this, the x2 I can write as x1 times r, and x3 I can write as x1 times r square. Similarly y1 is this, then y2 I can write as y1 times r, and y3 I can write as y1 times r square. Now if I substitute these values in this area of triangle formula, okay, then what I'm getting will be what? This x1, and this one is y1, and this one is 1, this one will be what? x1 r, okay, y1 r 1, okay, x1 r square, y1 r square, and 1. If we solve this, it will be x1 into y1 r 1, y1 r square 1, okay, minus y1, okay, this will be what? This will be x1 r 1, x1 r square 1, okay, and then lastly it will be 1, and here will be x1 r, y1 r, x1 r square, y1 r square. Okay, so what we are going to do, if we solve this, okay, what we have, x1, here we have, okay, here we have what? Y1 r minus y1 r square, Okay, minus y1, here we have x1r minus x1r square, and lastly we have x1 y1 r cube minus x1 y1 r cube, which will be straightforwardly 0. Okay, so we want to focus on these terms. And if you okay, let me take the next page. Okay, so here if you observe, if I open this x1 y1 r minus x1 y1 r square, similarly if I open this one y1 x1 r plus x1 y1 r square, so you can see the terms are cancelling out and giving me 0. Is there any triangle whose area is 0? Okay, no. Triangle always have some area. Okay, so if 3 points are there and they are forming a triangle and its area is 0, it indirectly means that they lie on a line. Okay, if they lie on a line, if they form a triangle, okay, which is not possible, so its area will obviously be 0. Okay, so it is the easiest way to prove that they lie on a straight line. Okay, just you have to check the area. Okay, and if you know the straight line also, then this question will become more easy for you to understand. Okay, although the concept of straight line and both sequence and series are used in this question, but as far as is concerned, if you know this formula, okay, and you know the basic thing that triangle always have some area, and if its area is 0, then it's probably the points are lying on a straight line. Okay, so now let's move on to the fifth question of this this small session. Okay, so the fifth question which we are going to do, okay, is this one. Okay, let two numbers have arithmetic mean 9 and geometric mean 4, then these numbers are the roots of the quadratic equation what? X square plus 18x plus 16 equal to 0, x square minus 18x plus 16 equal to 0, x square plus 18x minus 16 equal to 0, x square minus 18x minus 16 equals to 0. And this question has been asked in AIEEE 2004. Okay, so arithmetic mean means a plus b by 2 is what? 9. So I know a plus b is what? 18, call it as 1. And geometric mean is nothing but under root ab is what? 4. So I know ab is what? 2. Okay, one more thing is 4, then here it will go, sorry, it will be 16. Okay, so AB is 16. Now, if they are A and B are the roots of a quadratic equation, I know quadratic equation is represented in this format: sum x square minus sum of roots, okay, into x plus product of roots equal to 0. And if A comma B are roots, then do I have sum and product? Yes, then I can substitute this. Okay, when I substitute this, I am having this equation, which is this one. So B is the correct answer. Okay, so in this session we are going to do 5 questions only. Okay, and we are going to continue this previous year question in the next session. Okay, so observe these questions. Okay, try it yourself again, and if you like our content, okay, subscribe the channel. Thank you.